मुझे जो कहना था मैंने कह दिया। I said what I had to say. I said what I had to say. मैंने तुमसे उम्मीद छोड़ दी है। I have given up on you. I have given up on you. जो तुम्हारे दिल में है कह दो। Say what lies in your heart. Say what lies in your heart. मैंने अपनी बात सबको समझा दी। I got my point across to everyone. I got my point across to everyone. सड़क पर पानी भरा था। The road was waterlogged. The road was waterlogged. वादा करो तो उसे निभाओ भी। If you make a promise, then keep it. If you make a promise, then keep it. तुमने ही मुझे बाहर चलने को कहा था। It was you who told me to go out. It was you who told me to go out. तुमने मेरा नाम रोशन कर दिया। You have brought a glory to me. You have brought a glory to me. मुझे पता था ऐसा ही होगा। I knew this would happen. I knew this would happen. तुम हमेशा अपनी चलाते हो। You always get your own way. You always get your own way. मैं एक बार नाव चला चुका हूँ। I have sailed a boat once. I have sailed a boat once. सोते वक्त तुम्हारे हाथ पांव चलते रहते हैं। You move around while sleeping. You move around while sleeping. अपनी औकात से ज्यादा मत बोलो। Do not overstep your bounds. Do not overstep your bounds. अपनी गलती मुझ पर मत थोपो। Do not pin your mistake on me. Do not pin your mistake on me. मैं आसानी से नहीं पिघलूंगी। I am not a soft touch. I am not a soft touch. सबसे पहले घर के काम निपटा लो। First of all, tie up your household chores. First of all, tie up your household chores. मैं थोड़ी चिड़चिड़ी हो गई हूँ। I have become a bit prickly. I have become a bit prickly. तुम्हारा ऊपर का बटन खुला हुआ है। Your top button is undone. Your top button is undone. ये शर्ट गर्दन पर फटी हुई है। This shirt is torn at the neck. This shirt is torn at the neck. जरा घड़ी पर नजर डालो। Glance at the watch. Glance at the watch. तुम यहाँ वहाँ क्यों देख रहे हो? Why are you snooping around? Why are you snooping around? मैं लाइब्रेरी में किताबें देख रही थी। I was browsing books in the library. I was browsing books in the library. मैंने तुम्हारा दुख देखा है। I have witnessed your sufferings. I have witnessed your sufferings. तुम सब अपनी अपनी थाली उठाओ। All of you pick up your plate. All of you pick up your plate. मुझे अपना गुस्सा मत दिखाओ। Do not show your anger to me. Do not show your anger to me. दूसरों की देखा देखी मत करो। Do not jump on the bandwagon. Do not jump on the bandwagon. वो मुझे आंखें दिखाने लगा। He started glaring at me. He started glaring at me. खोखले वादे मत करो। Do not make hollow promises. Do not make hollow promises. ये घड़ी नहीं चल रही है। This watch is not working. This watch is not working. ये जीवन में आगे बढ़ने का समय है। It is time to progress in life. It is time to progress in life. सर्दी में दिन छोटे होते हैं. Days are shorter in winter. Days are shorter in winter. मुझे गुजारा करना भी मुश्किल हो रहा है. Getting by is becoming difficult for me. Getting by is becoming difficult for me. समय के साथ दर्द कम हो जाएगा. The pain will recede with time. The pain will recede with time. मुझे कुछ दिन पहले एक बड़ी कामयाबी मिली. I got a breakthrough a few days ago. I got a breakthrough a few days ago. लाइट बार-बार जा रही है. The power is going off again and again. The power is going off again and again. लाइट जाने की वजह से मैं पढ़ नहीं पाया. I could not study due to power outage. I could not study due to power outage. मैं अंदर ही अंदर घबरा रहा था. I was panicking deep down. I was panicking deep down. इसमें बहुत मेहनत लगती है. It requires a lot of hard work. It requires a lot of hard work. गरिमा की जगह मैं चला जाऊंगा. I will fill in for गरिमा. I will fill in for गरिमा. ई-रिक्शा वालों ने सड़कों पर कब्जा कर रखा है. E-rickshaws have hogged the roads. E-rickshaws have hogged the roads.